Okay, we're at the Doubletree by Hilton in Fairlawn, Ohio, formerly the Hilton. There's the swimming pool. And here is a glass Otis Series 1. Right here. Nice. Let's go ahead and take this for a ride. I think this was added on. Oh yeah, this was added on. Cold in here. And it's got the annoying Otis fan. Look in the ceiling. Look for. There's your phone. Lantern works, but no chime. It's also like sticking out of it. Go down to 1. Pretty nice 80s Otis. We're at 1. Go back up to 4. Lantern doesn't work down here. Classic leveling. Go ahead and watch the indicator on the way out this time. And down on 1. Very nice elevator. 2,500 pound capacity. Watch the button go out. Series 1 buttons. Watch it level. Nice classic Otis leveling. Alright, and there it goes.